One of you has asked to see how my wiring is. Well, as you can see, the points C1, 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 3, C1, 4, C1, 5, C1, 6, etc. And on the PU 1-point controller, you've got C1 6 selections, C2 6 selections, and C3 6 selections. And I'll show you the wiring now. Right, you look at the layout, you can see the points, and there's the point motors and the wiring going down. Okay. Here is how the electrics work. So C11 is here, C12 there, sorry, C11, C16, and 1 to 6 are... Here's how the electrics are laid out. The wires go from underneath the board to these junction boxes, and there's a red, green and black. So you've got 3, 6, 9, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18 electrical blocks. So that's C1 to 6. That's C2 to 6, and that's 3 to 3, 6. So you can see they're all in blocks that just plug in. The power, I've got more than one to each part of the board, and they're in junction boxes as well that you just plug in. You can see here all the wiring for the points plugged in, and there's black, red and green, and there's 18 wires in the C3s, 18 in the C2s, and you can see there's 18 in the C1s. And you scan underneath, I've got the wires going up to the PCU1 point selector. The red and black that operate the ones are on the left, red and black that operate the twos are in the middle, and red and black that operate the C3s are on the far right, and the 3 greens are going up to the box. So if anything goes wrong, I can trace each wire and where it is and where it's going. Here you see the back of the Gauge Master PCU1, and it goes from 1 to 6, and you can see the 3 greens in common, and it says there C1, C2, C3. So you have the C1 green in C1, C2 into C2 and C3 into C3. Now C11, you've got 2 connections, red and black, A and B. So you put 3 reds into each one. So 3 into A, 3 into B for the 1, 3 into A, 3 into B for the 2, etc, etc, etc. It looks complicated, but it's simple, and all the wires go in no problem. And obviously the common denominator is the green that diverts the power when you select C1, which is controlled by the green wire. So basically you select C1, it sends the power down the C1 wire, C12 sends it down A and B. It's as simple as that, and it really does work well, and there's no space problem.